Where is my Mr.Right Live streaming kit? No big, no complex, and affordable. I am here and I am mini, simple, budget under $150. All set with premium buffet for your subscribe decision monthly, yearly, or lifetime. Multi-device compatible. 4 HDMI 2.04K at 60 inputs for content devices like cameras and laptops, and built-in knobs and touchscreen for intuitive interaction. Stream and recording. Live stream directly to 2 platforms or stream to 30+ platforms via TAO Cloud, and record to a USB flash drive in MP4. Content plus, audio mixing and lip sync, logo, chroma key, and more. Preview and switch, a preview window for monitoring before going live, plus 15 presets recall in need with seamless switching. Go anywhere. Only 30W. Runs off a PD power bank. Weighs just 0.5 kilograms. Portable in your backpack. Solo streamers, vlogger, conference meeting, healthcare, events. Pro Switcher is finally simple and affordable for everyone.